The RoundView is a toolkit for sustainability thinking and learning that builds hope, clarity and inspiration. It offers us a way to really see what we could do to create a sustainable future. We've been working with libraries and schools to really look at how we can bring this way of learning into the curriculum, into bringing sustainability to life for school children.
So we've been looking at the RoundView educational system for teaching people about sustainability. Great way of engaging young children and older adults as well. I think we all learned something from it as teachers and governors.
It was really fun being taught by the children, very different from our everyday.
I think I loved the visuals. There's very little words. It was putting it together and like almost decoding the symbols and what they meant. And I think that's a really nice way of doing it rather than going through like a text that we might do more naturally in school.
I thought it was accessible to all because the jigsaw itself was fairly straightforward.
The thing I enjoyed the most was probably learning a lot and learning about how we can save our planet and help it. It was really enjoyable and I think it was easier to see as well, easier to understand with the pieces in the jigsaw. It made me feel like more hopeful for the future.
But we had to work as a team to figure out the puzzles, and at the end we had to make sense of it by ourselves instead of just getting told. Normally in other classes, it would be like we get lessons that were put on the board and we just like told things instead of like interpreting it with different puzzles that we had to solve. So this one's actually quite good.
I think it's a better way to learn because you're having fun and learning at the same time. After we finished, I felt more hopeful because I felt that there was much more that we could do to change the world.
It made me feel much more hopeful for the future now knowing that I know the solution for helping the earth, so then I can start doing that in the future. I think it would be good for everybody in the school to play our game.
I'd like to see this being part of the curriculum and actually all children going, having this as part of their education.
We're aiming to turn the RoundView into the fourth R. Reading, writing, arithmetic and the RoundView so that everybody on the planet understands the three root causes of all environmental problems and their positive opposites. We're wanting to scale this up and work with more schools and more libraries that are working with schools so that we can bring this to teachers and learners and really help them to start thinking differently.